Namaste everyone. Myself Dr. Rangaswamy, founder of Prasama Ayurveda. Today I am going to discuss on Maharasnadi Kada. Its clinical importance in various Ayurvedic and modern diseases. Let's begin with its ingredients. The main ingredients of the Maharasnadi Kada is Rasna, Erendamula, Bala, Sahachara, Ashwagandha, Shatavari, Shatapuspa, Gokshura, Guduchi. These are the main ingredients of Maharasnadi Kada. And also its Anupana is Shunti Churna, Pippali Churna, Ajamoda, Yogaraja Gugudu. Then the indication of the Maharasnadi Kada is next इसमें सर्वांग कंपे कुब्जत्व पक्षाघाते अपबाहुक सर्वांग कंप केवल वात धातुक्षयजन्य वात wherever धातुक्षयजन्य वात वृद्धि occurs there you can add Maharasnadi Kada, Dhanvantaram Kashaya, Mahavata Vidvamsarasa, Ushna Brahmana. Next Pakshagata. In Pakshagata we have two types of Pakshagata, Dhatukshayajanya Pakshagata, Kevala. Next Avaranajana Pakshagata. In Dhatukshayajanya Pakshagata, wherever we need Ushna Brahmana and Alpa Avaranagna, there we can use Maharasnadi Kada along with other Anupanas like Mahayogaraj Gugudu, these kind, and also Dhanvantaram Kashaya you can add, Kshiravalla Taila. Then Apabhavuka. In Apabhavuka is also same. In past initial condition we get Avarana, Kapavruta Vata. After Avarana, then Vata will be increased, Dhatukshaya will be occur. Then you should give for the purpose of Brahmana Maharasnadi Kada along with Kafagna action. Then Grudrasi. In Grudrasi also Vataja and Vatakapaja. In Vatakapaja Grudrasi you can add Maharasnadi Kada with Yogaraj Gugudu, where Dhatukshayajana Maharasnadi Kada with Mahayogaraj Gugudu, and also Lakshadi Gugudu, Trayodashama Gugudu you can add. Then Amovata Maharasnadi Kada with Sunti Churna, Ajamoda Churna, Yogaraj Gugudu you can add. Then we have next, the most important is the Vishesha Palasuruti of Maharasnadi Kada is Slipada, Medra Roga, Antra Ruddhi, and also Jiva Janagata Anila, Sandigata Anila, Sandigata Vata. These are the indications. And also Sukramaye, Medra Roge, Vandya. It is also indicated in Vandyatva, infertility. And also Sukra Roga, Medra Roga, Antra Ruddhi. We can varicocele, hydrocele, this kind of diseases we can add this drug. Then and also most last one is Brahmanam Garbhadharanam. Brahmanam Garbhadharanam is a Vishesha Palasuruti of this drug. So based on avastha, based on dosha, based on condition of the patient, we can add the other anupanas wherever we need. The Maharasnadi Kada is a beautiful and suitable drug for Vata Vyadhi and also all the some kind of neurological diseases, musculoskeletal diseases, and also genetic urinary diseases, and also it is indicated in reproductive also, infertility. So this is the main indication and other Vishesha Palasuruti. Then thank you so much for your support. I will upload other formulations also. Please support me and guide me. Thank you so much.